Okay. Moment of truth. Please don't be a car. Please don't be a car. Please don't be a car. Hey guys! So I haven't vlogged this entire trip yet because it's just kind of hard to vlog in the car. But we're on our way up to Lake Chatuge in North Carolina. We're staying near Hayesville. We just passed through Helen and we're still in Georgia. The North Georgia mountains are beautiful and we had a really good sunset on the way up here, so you'll see that in some clips. Manning the pump. Well, Michael, I don't know what he went in for, but on the way up here, we were an hour into the drive and we realized we forgot the boat key. We have the key, but we don't have the little thing that goes on the little thingy so that when you, vlogging in public is hard. When you, so like if the little clip comes off, the motor will stop. So now we don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out hopefully, because that would really suck to bring the boat all the way up here and not even get to use it. So it's actually kind of chilly. I got out like, oh, I don't need a hoodie, and now I have goosebumps and I'm like, dang it, I should have brought my hoodie out here. I'm so happy it's cooler in the mountains. It's 90 degrees today. Hey guys, good morning. So we're at Jackrabbit Mountain in North Carolina on Lake Chatuge right behind me. This lake's partly in North Carolina and partly in Georgia, but I'm gonna do a campsite tour. It's early in the morning. It's probably not that early anymore. It's 9:53. We're cleaning up camping. We're gonna go on the boat for a little bit and then we're gonna hit some wineries later. So come along with us for our fun field day. I'm so excited. There's no wineries close to home in Augusta. So I'm really excited about this. I'll flip you around to show you everything. Okay, so here's our campsite. We're at campsite number 46 in case you want to come here. So you know, we're right by the bathroom and the water. So that's nice. And then okay. Then here's a little spot where you park your car and then you come this way. And you walk down here to the campsite. Pro tip is to bring a wagon and then you don't have to make so many trips. I mean, it's honestly not a far walk, but the wagon is such a good purchase for tent camping. And then basically here it is. So you have picnic table area, the fire pit area, Marina's kennel, the tent. And then for the tent we have our rumple mat out, which is trying to keep the dirt out since the tent is filled with sand from the last time we went camping. And then inside we have our camping bags, Brandy's rumple dog bed, her moosey and her turtle. These memory foam pads are the best $60 I ever spent. I will leave a affiliate link down below. They're sleeping pads. They're memory foam. It was perfect. 2 sleeping bags from Academy Sports. They're for up to 45 or down to 45 degree. We have heavier ones, but this is much better for camping in July. And then of course the site's right on the lake, only it is too shallow out there to park the boat, so that is a bummer. And I said we're not over there. We could tie off to those rocks over there, so that's a bummer. But if you walk down here, I see what you mean with the rocks now. I didn't know what you were talking about, man. You have this really nice view.
My favorite thing about camping is spending the morning just making coffee and eggs on my favorite Coleman camp stove. Can't go camping without this thing. I'm obsessed. And just enjoying the slow morning. So let's do our coffee and our scrambled eggs before we start our adventure day.
What is he doing? Careful on the rocks with the zoomies, miss. I bet you later we see a bunch of turtles out on this log. That's so pretty. Is she okay?
What you doing?
Hey guys, so after going on the lake earlier, it's now 4, and we're at Crane Creek Vineyards in Georgia, and we got a wine flight. So I'll flip you around and show you what I got. They're also dog friendly. The Sweet Sally, which is great. Oh no, wait, I'm sorry. We're gonna start with the Tamanite, which is white flowers and pineapple. Yeah, that's good.
That was you texting them and then making up the team names, right? Oh yeah.
There's a bunch of lakes up here.
Second wine. You get 4. It's okay. We're doing Sweet Sally. It's grape jelly and watermelon, and a sweet wine.
I thought about that one.
What are these things? Did you try any of these?
Yeah, it's good. I only like non-dry wines, like sweet and semi-sweet. Do you want to? Okay. Third? Yeah, third glass. This one's Redhead Stepchild. I don't even know if you can hear me anymore, but it's cranberry, raspberry, and cherry. Yeah, it's different. I don't know if I'd say I like it. It's good, but I'm not a big red wine fan, so I don't. Yeah, I don't know. wine plate number 4. This is Foxfire. It's supposed to be cotton candy, watermelon, red berries, and it's a bubbly. I'm really excited about this one.
Okay, so it goes
Oh, that's really good. Oh my god. I might have to get a bottle of this.
Let's just do a 3-month thing. Yeah, we've been there.
I think this is my favorite one out of the 4. Saved the best for last, I guess. And just dogma.
So after the winery, we went back out on the lake for a little bit, discovered a floating tiki bar, which if you want to see more of that, that's on my Instagram. And then we hung out fishing for a little bit before the storm came and the hectic load up, which I wish I had more footage of, but it was so hectic that I could not film in my panic. Basically, the water changed in a split second. The storm came in, it got really choppy, and I couldn't get to the dock to be able to hand off the boat so Michael could load it up, and he had to jump in the lake and climb on the boat to save me, thank God.
Good morning. I haven't vlogged since yesterday. It is now Sunday. After the winery, we went out on the boat and we actually found a floating tiki bar, so that was really good. But then we went fishing for a little bit, and then it got stormy fast, and we pulled up to the dock to go get Michael got off to go get the car and truck and everything with Brandy, and I swear it was calm when we drove up to the dang dock, but it changed in like a blink of an eye, and it got extremely choppy, and I got stuck in the choppy. And I'm not good at driving against the wind, so it did not go very well, but they did come in to save me, so that was great. I don't know what I would have done if no one came to save me. So then we made it back to camp, hung out in the truck for a little bit because there was a thunderstorm. After that, we put the Easy up and got rained out for a fire. Didn't even get to have a campfire. That was bummy. Trying to now, but it's damp this morning and nothing wants to burn. But now we're working on packing up, so I just cleaned the dishes and we're going to clean the tent because it is a disaster in here. Does anybody else's dog protest when they are cleaning up camp or leaving a vacation or weekend getaway or anything? Because Brandy will lay right here. She's like, I don't want to go. She kind of looked mad. To be honest, I was cleaning up the sleeping bags and everything and putting them in their bags, and she's like, no, I don't want to leave. And now she like won't get off the sleeping pad, and dog dad went to go shower anyhow. So I mean, we're not in a rush or anything. We don't have to check out until 12, which is really nice because normally I feel like it's 10 or 11. So I can't roll up these sleeping pads without dog dad, so we're gonna wait for him for that, and Brandy can enjoy her last moments on them. But if I had to tell you to get one product and you were tent camping, it would be the sleeping pads. They're a memory foam. They roll up. They come with a waterproof covering. They're really nice. It was much better than a sleeping pad. Actually, I've had knots in my back for a really long time, and just sleeping on this, like on the ground, stretched me out, and I feel so much better. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do every time. I mean, whenever that happens to me now. But yeah, my hair is crazy because it's humid and it rained, and yeah, it's a cloudy morning. I don't know. We forgot the... Oh, maybe I'll go make a mountain pie because the fire is working. Because I forgot eggs this morning, so yeah, we're gonna go make a mountain pie, I guess. You know, we have to go home. We have to pack up camp and go home. It's Sunday. We have to work tomorrow. Do you want to go home? Are you doing a protest? Are you protesting? Or are you napping? Favorite snack when camping is a mountain pie, so we're gonna see if this will cook in here. And hopefully I won't burn it because I have a tendency to burn them. So we'll see. And I ran out of eggs for today. So hopefully this will burn and we can have a nice mountain pie for breakfast. That's not too bad. I'll take this as a mountain pie. Yay. I love these. They're my favorite. This combo on an Instagram reel and we're going to try it out. But first we got to roast these marshmallows. I'm gonna try to roast them. I prefer mine burnt, but we're gonna really try to roast them and not burn them this time. I do prefer burnt marshmallows, so I guess it's good. Yippee. It's fine. I prefer burnt anyhow. Let's go put this s'more together. My phone is dying. It's in the truck, so. But, oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. It looks really good. Okay. Moment of truth. Hope I can turn this into a reel. It's good. I prefer my cookie s'mores, but it's good. There's a dog paddle board near a campsite. It's so cute.
Rainy, you think you could learn how to do that?
I don't know if she's it. I don't know if she'd like it because she likes the kayak because it has walls. And she was always nervous on your kayak when it didn't have walls. He's just chilling. I got marshmallow all over me. So good. I wouldn't eat these all the time, but it's good. Michael had to save me yesterday and lost his flip-flop and it's like back there somewhere. So I'm gonna jump in and go get it. Maybe I'll take the GoPro. Yeah, I'll take the GoPro. Hang on. Change of plans. I was gonna go in, but it's really like loggy over here, so it's kind of hard to get. So we're gonna use the trolling motor instead. Please don't be a car. Please don't be a car. Please don't be a car. What happened?
A massive bluegill.
Oh, thank God. Please don't be a car. Please. on the boat for a little bit. Michael caught a fish. Now we're at Marina Station, which is in Georgia. We have to go back to North Carolina to load the boat up to come back to Georgia. It's okay, the border's like 5 minutes away. It'll be fine. Anyhow, we took the boat over here, but it's really nice. It's like a lakefront restaurant. They're dog friendly, so Marina's out here chilling. They're also dog friendly inside, but we're just sitting outside because it's a nice day and then you get to look at this beautiful view. But yeah, I can't wait to come back here sometime. I really like this lake and I don't want to go home. So after lunch, that concluded our trip. What is wrong with my face? Oh, I might have gotten some sunburned. Okay, so after lunch, that concluded our trip and we drove 4 hours home. It's now like 8:30ish. We just made it home. So thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other like adventures. See you in the next video.